Okay, we are Platy, and this is our business plan presentation for the CBIC Challenge. Our team members are Mr. Patrick, he's our COO. I am the COO, and this is the rest of our board.
Right.
So operational and management policies. Basically, this is what the rules our team follows. The most important one is all work is done in a timely manner, and all team members can share their suggestions.
Okay.
This is a flowchart of how team decisions are made. A team member comes up with an idea, and then we vote it into.
This is our mission statement. Our mission statement is basically that Platy is a company dedicated to supplying innovations and solutions to the global commerce.
Our industry selection main focus is mining, but while producing our sensors, we also realized they would help in fixing natural disaster damage. So we decided to go with the mining and natural disaster industry.
The main reasons that we chose mining is because it's a constantly growing industry, and there's been a lot of recent development in the technology within the industry, and we also are located in Nevada, which is one of the top mining states in the U.S. This is a chart showing the development of the mining industry throughout these years.
We also learned that mining is really good because it's created a bunch of boom towns, and there are many reasons why we chose to improve the natural disaster industry as well. One reason that we did is because 12 hikers were washed away in a flood in Antelope Canyon and were never found, which occurred on August 13, 1977.
So as you can tell, another reason is to develop sensors to find lost people in natural disasters.
Not only that, there's a lot of natural disasters every year. In 2014, there were 441 reported.
There are three main problems that we plan on fixing. One, we want to solve mining issues. Two, we want to ensure the safety of mining. And three, we want to solve the problem with missing people in natural disasters by finding a more efficient way to find the missing individuals.
Mining issues and mining safety are a very big problem, as research shows that 33 miners were trapped underground in a San Jose mine in Chile's Atacama Desert for 69 days with no way of escape.
So our solution to these problems is to create sensors that will be attached to drones that will aid in these situations. Our products include the first set of products we have are sensors. So our sensors that are currently out there are LiDAR, GPR, and X-ray. LiDAR is basically a sensor that reflects light, and light bounces off objects back to it so it can map out areas. And GPR is a ground penetration radar, so it penetrates through the ground through the use of electromagnetic waves. So once it hits an object, it detects it and it analyzes it. And X-ray, basically, it sends out a really big ray, so it goes through the skin, and once it hits bone, since bone is a lot thicker than skin, it detects only bone. And other sensors that we have are gas sensors. They detect a lot of dangerous chemicals such as methane, nitrogen dioxide, and others. And within the mining industry, vibration of the equipment is also very dangerous for the miners, along with distance displacement when they do get into the ground, and pressure and stress of the plates when miners do get underneath. And new sensors that we plan on making from our company include surface infrared penetration. We're trying to mix between GPR and infrared so we can see through the ground and can tell if miners are underneath there. And a chemical reactor sensor where we can tell what chemicals are in the air based on reactions. And a mineral categorizer where we can map out areas and determine what minerals are where.
These are our services. So some services, our main services include data interpretation. We interpret the data that we collect for the customer so that it's easier for them to understand and easier for them to use. We also have a drone flight team. So which ensures safety of the customers so they don't have to fly it. And also we provide the drone flight team because they can survey and map.
So these are our competitors. We do have some competitors because this is an existing industry. Our main competitors are SenseFly, and they specialize in mapping. And then we also have Helimetrics, and they survey and take aerial photography. Harrier Company searches for minerals, and Drone Metrics has aerial photography mapping. Our unique selling point is that our sensors don't wear out; they last a long time. Also, we don't sell the drone; we just provide the service and we sell the sensors, which not a lot of our competitors do that, and it allows our profit to grow higher. We specialize in mapping, and we can locate miners before they die in 7 months.
Our key customers include drone companies, mining companies, and federal government civil companies.
So how we market to our customer is that we have a website, and that it's listed up there. And then we also have, we can also be advertised on Google Plus using our Gmail, and we can also be contacted through our Gmail. We also advertise and can advertise in the mining magazine, Canadian Mining Magazine, the Mining Media, and Mining USA. Additionally, we will be in trade shows and mining expos. We will also be advertising and marketing on Kickstarter to raise money.
So our main partnership is with Veriscan. They are a company that does data interpretation, and they also manufacture drones, which is what we need. Our company is based on partnerships with drone manufacturing companies, and we're trying to create packages with both the sensor and the drone. Since we only manufacture sensors, people tend to buy multiple sensors rather than multiple drones. That is our problem.
Our alliances, or teams that we want to work more with, are Team 1H, the Robotic Unicorns, Team 1N, Fusion Core, and 1E, Quirk, all from Hyper.
So as far as the financial plan, we plan on, this is our cost and budget, this is how much we charge our customers for our services. As you can see, there's the square feet amount, and then the fees are listed. So our starting capital will be put towards expanding our inventory, because currently we just have prototypes, we don't have inventory to sell to customers. And then the other capital would be put towards advertising, because we need to get our name out there since we're a new company. Also later on, we want to put money into research and development so we can expand what kind of sensors we have and provide more variety to our customers.
Very good. Sorry guys, we're a little bit running out of time, so we really appreciate this, and it's great. So we're just gonna do a short Q&A. Yeah, really, it's very well done, and pretty much everything that we would have questions for. So my main thing is just to clarify, so with the mining and the natural disasters, yours is just for sensing and making sure everything's good. It's not just going in there and mining, correct?
We provide the sensors and data interpretation for the data that's gathered from the sensors, and we provide a flight team.
All right, great. That was pretty much just making sure that that's what you guys are talking about, because I'm pretty sure that was the way. So yeah, that was my really only question. So since that we did that, if you want to finish up with this future development, and that'd be great. We got a little bit of time for that.
For the future development, in 2016 we are planning to have a projected revenue of $50,000. We will be writing business plan and developing first prototype, R&D. We will also be testing and rebuilding the prototype in the first half of 2017. And we will be visiting trade shows and starting to sell our product on Kickstarter. In 2018, our projected revenue will be $100,000, and we'll be starting to mass produce and market the product, as well as selling the product in the stores. And in 2019, our projected revenue is $500,000, and we will continue to sell our product and possibly create higher quality sensors.
Fantastic.
Great.
Good job. So, thank you, Ben.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good, folks.
Let's go ahead.
It's near and dear to my heart being a mapping professional.